Paano nga ba ire-represent si Jesus sa iyong workplace? Operate in integrity. Huwag magrereklamo. Maging tapat. Gawin ang mga bagay ng may kahusayan. Maglingkod o magdagdag ng halaga sa iba. Maging masipag or consistent. Ipagdasal ang mga kasama mo sa trabaho. Conduct yourself worthy of the gospel. In Ephesians 5 or 6:5-7, slaves, obey your earthly master with respect and fear, and with sincerity of heart, just as you would obey Christ. Obey them not only to win their favor when their eye is on you, but as a slave of Christ, doing the will of God from your heart. Serve wholeheartedly as if you were serving the Lord, not people.